If you want to add a user to QBO, we'll go to the Manage Users page. Start with the Gear tab in the upper right corner. In the first column, select Manage Users. The main page will show all the current users and how many empty seats you have. Select Add User on the right. There are 4 types of users. We'll get to Standard in a second. Company Admin has full access and is generally reserved for ownership and accountants. Reports and time tracking options are available. Let's select Standard User to set up an admin with limited access. Select Next. You have 3 options, but most admins will be limited. Select Customer and then Vendors to see what is allowed and restricted for each. Select Next. More settings are available. Enter the admin's contact information and select Save. An invite email will be sent to the new user. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you leave a comment, I will do my best to respond.